Yeah, you know the vibes. We are back with another episode of Stena. Big X is chilling, and you are watching Stena. Hey, we are causing waves. Senjane, Jessipa, abantu abasiphaleli man with their problems. They are bringing it in. Hey, namhlanje siphethe uMandisa. Unento mana afuna usibalisela yona apha kuStena. Masimzise. Li kamsondeze, li mzise ungoyiki. What a beauty. Awusemhle mntazekaya. Uright?
Yeah, right. Thank you.
I'm good as well, man. Mandisa, umhle kangaka. You decided to write to us on Stena. What was the reason?
I have a boyfriend, but then he has that gassy vibes, and
Yeah.
I'm not into gassy vibes.
Or how long have you been dating him?
It's 1 year and 6 months.
1 year and 6 months. Nithandana. So all along you are telling me you are not into kasi vibes for over a year, 365 days. 365 days dating umuntu wasekasi. And then 6 months, half of 365 days. But you're only realizing now you are not into kasi, guys. What changed? There's something you're not telling me.
No, it's like I haven't been to gassy vibes ever since. Just that I liked him.
And you decided my mom give chance.
Yeah, let me
So,
give him chance.
kahle, what do you want to tell him now?
Because I've been trying to tell him who to know. Angifuni lento leyo makota and stuff. No.
Awufuni makota. What do you prefer now?
I prefer those chilled vibes, going out on dates.
Yeah, Mato. I have a feeling you met someone that can provide more than just a quarter. From quarter, ukufakela my wings. Ow, Udlama wings now.
Yes.
Udlama out.
Yeah.
You're eating food you can't even pronounce. Waze kwamnandi Mandisa mara usamfuna manje usamfuna mjida wasekasi ngoku usamfuna tu.
Yeah, I can't.
Okay, so you are here to tell him uba no man, jonga. Kota zakho, I appreciate it. Abunihlutisile for a while, but now I'm eating izinto ezintsha man, not appetite anayo for ikota. Basically, that's what you are saying. You don't have the appetite for ikota anymore.
Yes.
Whoa. We're Stena. You know how we bring it. We have Mandisa uzosixelela uba no man. Andimfuna ubhuti. Appetite yam for ikota iphelile. After the break, we are back. We're gonna bring you the boyfriend. Akazivele nayo uba hayi. Appetite yekota iphelile. Siyabuya. Big X is chilling. And you are watching Stena. We are back. Big X, we are back. Hey, Xhosa was not Teta with another hot episode on CMTV. Big X is chilling, and you are watching Stena. Before the break, babukeli besino Mandisa. Mandisa besicela ba no man. Ndinomntu endithandene naye for a year and 6 months. Ngoku andisamfuni. Ndifuna nje uzondixela ba besides man samfuni, but I have to confess to him ba ngoku.
Are you enjoying the show? Do you want to advertise your business and reach more people? Get the details right here on screen and fetch your life.
Yeah, babukeli. Welcome back. Hey, kushushu Mandisa apa uthi. Utikiwe zikota. Ndikuva kahle. You want to confess namhlanje that you no longer love your boyfriend of 1 year and 6 months. Because you've met someone else. Let me get this straight. And this someone else is his cousin. Ne?
Yes.
Mandy, is this Stena? Is Stena. But without further ado, I wanna welcome the boyfriend, Mandy. Funali, can you bring me the boyfriend? Yamakot.
Sanibona.
Awe, Jam.
Sure.
My dog. How are you, brother man? What's your name?
Sibusisi Kami.
Uyamazi?
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Icheri yakho?
Yeah.
Oh, you've been dating for 1 year and 6 months.
Yeah.
Going strong. One anniversary and almost an anniversary. Ave kumnandi. Aw maro. Yini attracted la Lucis?
Ish, smile sakhe, indlela ayiphethe ngayo. Ya, uyangichaza nje yonke into nje ngaye.
No,
Sanda yonke into ngaye.
man.
Angikwazi uyichaza.
Ow, uyancoma indoda. So I'm sure you don't know about why you lapha, ne?
Yeah.
You don't know why you lapha. You just see maybe, oh, what if your girlfriend wants to propose?
Nami ngiyayibuza.
Hey, Njayam, imagine about propose, Njayam. How would you feel?
Ish.
Hey, but I'm not gonna tell you why you are here.
Okay.
But Lucis, Mandisa will tell you. She's the one that invited you. She wrote to us. We are Stena show. We are show of confession. She has a confession to make. Maybe she wants to propose. Maybe she wants to, just tell you some nice things, Jayam. Mandis.
Hi, Spisisa.
Hello, baby.
I have a problem. In fact, I want to confess. I've been dating your cousin. And
Umzala, like the Umzala, you know Umzala, it's part of family. Family. Get that straight, Jayam.
The one that you are close to. Yeah, Oshim. I'm sorry, but Nizanana, because I couldn't tell you Sisendin or meet up somewhere.
Yo, what TikTok? And you're good? Sorry, man. I'm just, when I'm shocked, I might look like I'm making jokes of the situation or what, but just that I can't handle Indaba Ezinje. But I just want to ask, how do you feel about this thing? Like, she's saying, Tandana Nomzala wako. And then I see you've been, the way you were talking about her, like you were praising her. But she's saying, how long has it been?
1 year, 6 months.
How long has it been?
No, it's 3 months.
It's 3 months.
Yes.
When you celebrate anniversary, anniversary it's painful things. It's very painful things. How do you feel?
Phoxile kakhulu. Angani ukuthi ngithini. Ngiyamthanda, yikho into angani ukuthi ngithini nje. Ngiphoxile. Nalomuntu kade close kunami kade ngayimele ukuthi lento ngenza uyena.
Oh.
Angani ukuthi ngihlampela ngambheka kanjani nje.
And when I'm not going to, we have the person up in the studio. Bazebo babini njayam. And Zambiza in a few, but I can see your disappointment. I can see how hurt you are. Maramandisa, I have to ask you. You didn't tell him why you are dating his cousin. Why?
Angwazanga, because when I sometimes like umuntu yes na yamthanda yes, just that cousin yakhe man, it has something more, something juicy.
But the cousin yako has more on the table.
Yeah. There is a nuggety me, and I'm saying was it's not like it's
Hey man,
because no, it's because that's why I see Zelan.
Amariangijwayela yazi.
Teta, the platform is yours.
That's what I
Open
prefer.
up. We are here for you.
Mara ngijwayela like yini into engazamile ukuthi ayikho into engakwenzele yona yonke into
So
ngizamile.
you have gassy vibes. I'm not into gassy vibes.
Pho bohleleleni ke kumina ku pretend isikhathi sonke.
Yeah,
Awungishile ngani mfethu?
ngithandile, but then isikhathi masihamba yabona ukuthi uthando liyancipha and
Pho indaba ngangitshelile.
njengoba ngikutshela manje.
Can you please explain the gassy vibes? Mhlawumbe ababukeli ba lost about the gassy vibes. Can you please explain the gassy vibes so that he also understands about what do you mean when you say he's got gassy vibes?
So you took me to Omakota days, like you see, I ain't doing nje is
A problem yikota mntakwethu.
So ikota lento into engilethele la ngilese ikota mina kahle kahle.
Yeah, I'm not into gassy vibes.
My brother.
I've tried.
Sorry to cut you off. She's saying you have gassy vibes. You only buy her ikota. Njayami, but you don't take strolls at the beach, Njayami. But how zenza zondo Njayami. But when you so stuck about house on Bonanin, come visit me. That's all you do. That's what she's basically saying. And the closest thing that's going out you have done for her is taking her to a quarter place. So Njayami, can you please tell me, are you willing to step up your game and change for her? Before you answer that question, I'm gonna ask Lorna, if brothers changes the way he does things, would you still continue dating him?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because I'm into his cousin now. Like I'm deep into his cousin.
Hi. Angazi ukuthi mangithini. I see. Uphoxekile usibusiso. There's nothing I can do. Ungakhali ndoda, ungakhali njaya. Ungakhali. Sisi, we thank you for coming. Now I'm gonna call the cousin. Ke sive uba kwenzeka ntoni. How long has it been? Babukele emakhaya. Let's take a little break. When we are back, ukazini uzabe la umzala lo utya iplate kamzala uzayichopha ichaza ba kwenzeka ntoni kanye. Why mzala, why? Hey! Yar, Big X is chilling. You are watching. It's Stena. We are back from the break. Sibuyile isikhaxa sangoku wena bungabukelanga. We're talking about uMandisa. Uthi uMandisa akasayifuni boyfriend yakhe because the boyfriend yakhe apparently in a kasi vibes. It's my first time hearing the kasi vibes thing. But ke asikolapo uthi i-cousin ibethe i-boyfriend ngesitena. Sisawukwamkela u-cousin. Mzala, kamzise li umzala. Mzala iza mzala. Oh, take a seat, my brother. Take a seat. Mzala madoda. Sabona, my brother. You can take the mic.
Sabona.
Ubani gama lakho? Shimza right there.
Sure.
Shimza is a DJ. Shimza Mazi. Usho ukuthi hey, I see your vibes. But I call up. Sisi. Yamazi mosloputi.
Yeah.
All right. We are back, Mabukeli, and Ushimza is here. Shimza.
Sure.
Welcome to the show. It's Stena. Umazi kanjani usisi lo?
Awusita intombi yami yho.
Intombi yakho.
Ya intombi yami.
Lo mshito secama kwakho umazi njani yena?
Ya umjito cousin yami.
Uyangishwaye intombi yakho kanjani mfethu intombi yami?
Ejo ukeli wami wena mfethu.
Ifethu angishwayela wena yazi.
Spuda. Wo spuda.
Ungalwe nami mfethu kanti.
Ifethu intombi yami le kanti mfethu kanti ngithembile mfethu wena wonke uphoxa mina kanje.
Lo muntu lo.
Mfethu ungakhulumi into eningi.
Spuda imanja yami. Spuda, ngicela uzohlala ngada. Sister.
Nawe angijwayela yazi.
Na spuda. Hlala ngada. Singihlale ngada. Spuda, please njaya. Let's handle this kancane. Mfethu, ubuyazi ukuthi uMandisa uthandana nomjito.
Ya bengazi straight.
Mara waqonda ukuthi hayi uzawungena wena.
Usudelela mina kahle.
Spuda yima kancane mfethu, kancane. Waqonda uzawungena wena.
Vele like nalekele rikopane wabona. So isine rikopane lekele ka catch feelings vaya ku college.
Spuda yima, Spuda yima njaya. Spuda. Hey, lingathi zawudinga security hamba Spuda yima Spuda. Mandisa, can you tell me kwenzeke njani? How did this happen? No Shimza apha. Kwenzeke ntoni?
Yeah, angithi manje like akusima cousins lawa ahlobane eduzane yabo. Yeah. So zangibona kuyinto bad ukuthi ngingene.
Ayikho bad.
Yes.
Ukuchitha ku bad nje Mandisa.
Okay, yeah, uchitha ku bad ukuthi manje uyabona let's qala nje out of the blue and then just go with the vibe, go with the flow.
So you came to confess ukuthi no, angisena feelings for you Spuda because ungifakela amakasi vibe. Mina nginama feelings for Shimza. Okay, into oyithanda yakho kuShimza?
No, Shimza imbiza Shimi ke.
Yeah, Shimi, umbiza Shimi?
Unama vibes lawa we chill and vibe with Netflix. We go out.
Uthule mfethu.
Akafuna uyizwa uSpuda lento uyithethayo. Mandisa, let me get this straight. So after you've made this confession, awufuna uqhubekeka no Spuda?
No, asiqhubeki but singaba abantu sisazanayo.
Angifuni mfethu Mandisa ngiyakuthanda mfethu.
Yes.
Uthini Spuda?
Ngiyamthanda mfethu ngiyakuthanda mfethu.
Awufuna uthi usibuda akalahleki Mandisa uzawuthini ke ngokwena
mara wathona sibuda moment
Thula mfethu wena, thula. Thula.
a moment sibuda
Thula wena.
ima mfethu ima njaya uthi awukwazi ukumaintaina njayami you can't maintain it that's the problem
Fakazana. Kusho ayifakaza na thula mfethu.
angifakazi njayami but I'm repeating what he's saying uthi akawu maintain it that's the issue and Mandisa do you want love or you want to be maintained
Jimmy gives me both.
Mina ngingakuniki yona ke.
You give me love.
only asibuda njayami bathi uthando likho enough she wants more are you willing to
Yini
step up?
engayizami for wena? Ayikho into engazami ukwenzela yona.
Yeah, you've tried your best.
Manje
But yeah, my best work hawafikilini.
So njayami you don't feel any sort of regret or anything between lento yenzayo ngala aw regret lutho
hayi mina angiregret lutho mfethu yantona so cause ugele vele ish manginayo mfethu ya like
Sibuda yima Sibuda
ungangijwayeli wena.
Sibuda
Wena ungijwayeli.
Sibuda yima Sibuda
Awumi.
ima mfethu ya inezibonela kushushu ndiyoyika nje usibuda engathi angani Mike Tyson anytime kushushu xa kunje Mandisa this situation ikwenza ufeel njani le situation uyayithanda okanye kwenzeka ntoni
Angithandi because it's not like he's nyamzondo or sixabene yabo. Yeah. Angithandi maka kanje. Nami I hate it mangimzisa ubhlungu.
yeah
But then I don't have a choice.
so in conclusion wena uthi usibuda ufuna umshaya ngeStina uqhubekeke no Shims
Yes.
Ngaphethe ayikho leyo nto ngeke niyibone.
Manje soyenza njani?
Ayikho.
Because
usibuda akavumi
Angivumi ke mina.
Nama
manje
ngazi ukuthi
uzoyenzani?
Hayi mfethu ayikho leyo nto.
uthi usibuda ucela nimhayikise nje kancane kule
No.
rate yenu manje it's just what the hike
njani?
mfethu would you be comfortable with her still seeing him
no
mara mfethu ibicheri yake kade
Mfethu
lena
ngimala wena.
yeah vele mara akasamthanda ugele
ima Sibuda yima
Ngimala ungangijwayeli wena.
ima
ufuna ukula manje yo
ufuna
Ungangijwayeli.
mfethu khuluma naye vele
Khuluma naye,
ekebele ekhala
Wena
mfethu
hlukana naye mfethu yezwa.
wayedlamile kuhlukana le
Mfethu hlukana naye.
upaletse kumthwara esequeen
Mfethu ufuna ungazi
esequeen
Sibuda yima
Nawe ungangibambi nawe yezwa. Ungangibambi nawe yezwa.
Sibuda
Ora vele akhona utreat gele wabona le feelings tayo wabona
Sibuda
sithabathola
yima mfethu stop rubbing the salt into the wound nawe awume kancane yo ima mfethu man kasibambe kancinci
sure
yo Sibuda one advice njayami yabo lo sisi do you think usibuda like unama feelings at
Mfethu ngihlanganisela noma ngichithela nakwenzakalani.
Hey mfundi ndiyakubuza sukulwa nami I didn't do anything my brother
Ngihlanganisela noma ngichithela wenzani ke manje?
my brother I'm just a neutral here I'm with you all the way I support you but njayami violence ayime kancane man lo mshita makethetha I want him to tell you so that you can understand but why is this whole thing happening because
Umuntu wami lena ikho into engizo-understand mina.
awufuna understand
Yeah, ngifuna understand lutho.
sisigaxa bethuna andazi noba manithini uthi usibuda akazo understanda uthi apho baya khona nayo yaya he doesn't care uzaba sisipeweli sabo uzaba khona mara mfethu le uyenzayo kho grand because ufike bethandana kahle wafika ngena into yabo manje sokuxelela umjito ukuthi makayiphathe kanjani igirlfriend yakhe
mfethu tlamele tsware handle girlfriend aba cause lena afihla kona ra ompotsa vele jita mthware grand so uthotse nna vele
Uyayibasa le nto kahle kahle.
Sibuda Mandisa nasekhaya thank you for coming through and telling us uba ana man usibusiso nimfaka iStina ngoku ufuna move on nomnye umuntu Sibuda you must understand njayami ukuthi people's feelings change yabo just because bengokuthanda izolo it doesn't mean I'm still going to love you namhlanje I might be loving someone else you understand and you have to accept it my brother make peace with the fact that abakufuni xa ulahlwa lahleka mntasekhaya there's people that are going to want you out there with your kasi vibes njayami ungawari baninzi kadawo uzoba satisfied ngothando njayami wena Mandisa I so wish you told us Buddha like way before ifikele na 1 year and 6 months angathi yena celebrate anniversary now kanti wena uqala unye anniversary nomnye umuntu It's not okay. It's not okay. Mntasuncuma mntasekhaya. Don't smile.
Yes, but then angithi yabona mangabe like umuntu okay near data fine.
Yeah.
Isikhathi sihamba. I'm a person not talkative,
Yeah.
and ngiyasho if I turn this one as so, you know, and he is very ngixoxela no, I like this and this and this and this. Yabo. I never spoke noma sibukele movie vela thina guy. I understand into this and then
Kahle uSbuda ufunani? What is his? What is his love language? Okanye what is his romantic side? What does it do for romance?
For romance, scarce is many moment of that romance. It's just nje ujole nje because the guys abona ujole nje.
You know, most relationships they suffer because of sex. Umcimbi wasebhedini ubhuti uyawuchana pho.
Yeah, sharp. No complain. Sharp.
Awu complaining ngawo.
Yeah, sharp. Sharp.
Ubhuti lona yena.
Oh, he's good.
He's good.
Hey!
But then ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Ungangijwayeli.
Sbuda imanje yami. Uyabona the facial expression, I understand why he's angry because the facial explanation yakhe makuthethwa ngoSbuda like it's good. Mara makuthethwa ngoshinza kada. Uyasmile yamoyemozeke. So angibasi nje yami. Let me just get this straight before we conclude. When was the last time you were intimate with him?
I think last month.
Last month. But I can feel ukuthi it has been recent nalona ne. When was the last time? How many days ago? I'm assuming.
It's not late. Okay, it's 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's 2 weeks.
Njayami. Let me just tell you before we siqhubekeke or anything. That time she was telling you she's on her periods. That time she was telling you she's busy. That time she was busy nalu. You understand? And in German, I don't want to make you angry, but I just want you. I'm to a reality. I want you to see things as they are. I don't want you to assume or ebe busy nalo. You're supposed to be cousin. Angazi ukuthi nihlobene kanjani, mara angizungena la. Thank you for coming through mnasekhaya Sbuda. I hope Njayam you find healing. Wena Njayam angazi ukuthi I hope you find ini. Ingathi unazo zonke siphelele Njayam.
Yes, ngisiphethe.
Ima Sbuda, ima Sbuda, ima. Mfethu, yini nawe? Babukeli kubhlungu. Kubhlungu kunjalo kodwa sizayivala ngoku sibulela uMandisa mani ngokuza sicela bakwenzeke ntoni and we hope uSbuda all the best. Mfethu uzawudibana nomuntu okuthanda ngendlela. Mfethu ngiyacela. Yeke le relationship ihambe. Yeke mayihambe Njayami. Please Njayami. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. We're going to be back again next week with another episode. Boom. Thank you very much. We are out.